Hi, it's Miles Red Songbird, Miles Red Birdsong in New York City. I have been decoding words and finding answers. So why don't I share them with you? Okay, let's see, what do we have here? Some of this is working up to the answers, and some of it is the answer. Okay, so Adam the animal ape, Adam Ma, a zoo. I'm Albert Will. Am Albert's will. I'm in a zoo. Drama. Dr. Am Albert. Dr. Am Albert. Talking about Albert Einstein. Zoo. Zays. Zazu Pits. Brad Zoo Pits. Spit and spit, talk and share. Okay. Talk and share. The Albert like. And her son. Logical light. Intuitive right. Satisfying might. Challenging fight. Fulfilling right. Insight. All right. Despite. Outright. Delight. Height. Okay, let's go up here. And her son. Source. You niche. Okay, let me just explain this. Talk and share is a cure for madness that I've discovered, found, uncovered, however you want to put it. And Albert Einstein is one of the energies within me. So this is revealing to me that Albert likes talk and share. And these are the elements, some of the elements in talk and share, some of the ways that they are. This is a reason why he likes it. I was surprised, okay, when I ran across this. Okay, so, and her son, source, you niche, source, you niche. I see he, Einstein. I see he, Einstein, in me. Put an A there and it says name. Albert Einstein, a man. Man and woman. Because he's got Evangeline in him too. So, he, Einstein, good, hit, history. His is Saint Story. His is Saint Story. Glory, Nori, worry, furry, hurry, cherry, Murray, blurry. Will equals IOU, you. Her equals ear and R. Blurry. Be will, you, her, here, I equals he. I is he. Okay? Energy is unfolding, evolving according to my likes. likes, silk, S-I-L-K, energy. Okay, you see that? That's what likes is equal to. Buble, B-U-B-L-E, you will, equals you will. Her eye, buble, here, he here. Her are ears, arse, a rose, A-R, put an O there, S-E, a rose. Angel, her ordered, sweet energy. You see what's happening? The girl, Evangeline, is ordering sweet, she's ordering this angel energy. Eve, angel line. Angel, good energy, will in energy. Okay, so she's using her will to will in good energy for the angels. Vangelis. That's my son Sing Birdsong's projection identity. It's a Greek composer, genius, electronic musician, composer. Vangelis, victory, angel, I see, energy. Okay, that's Vangelis. Was that here? Where is it? Oh, it's up here. Okay. Victory, angel, I see. Victory, angel, I see. Okay, so basically she's ordering in sweet energy. Okay, because Bouvelet, who she hears, she's ears. She hears him. And and women are flowers anyway, so she's a rose. And she realizes he needs, from what she hears, sweet energy, so she's ordering it in. Okay, Einstein, did I make the point that he ordered in energy as well? Be, will, you, her, I hear, equals re. Re, her, re, a, her regarding a, angel. She again, the right energy for harmony. Of course, it's going to be years before they have harmony. Okay, what do we have here? Order, open, her divine, Evine, her. Open her divine, Evine, her. That's what order means. Order, pen. Order, pen. Order, open. Order, open. Order, border. Record. R-E, put a C there, O-R-G is record. Her energy, C order. Einstein, Evangeline. That she's ordering her energy for the record. Okay. Evangeline, visit Albert in good energy. Will I in empathy. I will empathy in. Okay, so she just ordered empathy and good energy, more good energy. Visit Albert. Evangeline, visit Albert in good energy. So she's ordering good energy to visit Albert. So this Evangeline Albert Einstein is going to be very good souls. Evangeline, Eve, visit Albert in good energy line. That's what I just said. In good energy will line in empathy. Will is L in empathy. Will in empathy. So they're willing in empathy. See, they're ordering in empathy. They're using their will to achieve empathy. That's a very good trait, empathy. You have to be very smart to be empathetic because you have to figure out how the other person feels. Albert in good energy will I in angels. I will Albert in. Okay? I will Albert in good energy. See? This will then some good energy for Albert Einstein, who has a tremendous effect on this culture. Okay, let's go over here. We live to learn to love ourselves. That's what Charan Singh said. Okay, W olive branch. Cross order record or record. Energy, W energy. T, I Ching, extraterrestrial. Energy cross. Jesus horse. Jesus energy source. No, sun. Jesus energy sun. You source. Yeah, Jesus was a source. Okay, and then the horse. What was the horse? His order. Radhaswami energy. Radhaswami is Lord of the Soul. Swami is a mirror energy. So that's what a horse is. The higher power. Lord of the Soul and a mirror energy. All giving, nothing in return. This is Jesus. Jesus energy sun source. All giving, nothing in return. And this is the same with the sun. Just like Jesus is like the source, the sun. All giving, nothing in return. Gets nothing in return. Invaluable giving. Okay, what do we got here? Horse. He rose. He rose. She or. Roe versus Wade. Her ordained. Energy visit. A wedding. If they would have got married, they wouldn't have had to kill the babies. It's here in writing as well. Her order. Energy visit. A wedding. Okay, her order, energy visit, a wedding. Yeah, a wedding would have solved everything. Okay, she meaning Eve, Evangeline. She's being stalked by an ape. This is early on in creation. Lifetime after lifetime, since the beginning of time. He, Einstein, Bouvelet energy in gorilla. Okay, this is the beginning of time I'm talking about. Things have changed now, obviously. Gorilla, the proposed third subspecies of gorilla Beringal, is the Burundi population of the mountain gorilla. Okay, now what do we got here? Buble, Wind Divine, Buble, Wind Divine, Buble, Wind Ivine, W Train, IND is the 8th Avenue train, W Train, Ivine, I Mine, Mind, M Train, IND is a train, remember? M Train, I Rhyme, Mountain Range, Everest, Eve Energy, her energy saint. Eve, the mother of the earth, is a saint. It is written, be it understood. It is, what does it say? There's, what's that word? Oh my God, there are flies in here. Oh, I hate them. Get away from me. There's excuse for everything, therefore, all good in our neighborhood. It is written, be it understood. The mother of the earth is a saint. Okay, Mount Everest is located in the Himalayan mountain range, which crosses India. Now, India, we got to decode here. Train, IND is a train. I angel. I train angels in India. Sang L. Satsangis. See at talk. See at talk and share. What's that? Satsang is satsang. This is a meeting of the saints, satsang, in India, in the Punjab. It's blurry. See at talk and share. See at talk and share. Song. See at talk and share song. See ordered a Gurinder Singh, son of the sun. Song ordered. Song. Ordered feeling. OF is ordered feelings. Gurinder Singh, sing you, son of sun. For everyone. Feelings orders her. For everyone. Eve, energy, her. I, the only one. Okay, so he's only singing for Eve. He's singing the feelings of only one, Eve's energy. Gurinder Singh is singing the feelings of Eve's energy. Now, in the last video, I said some of the forms he sang in. Nat King Cole, Jerry Butler, Michael Bolton, what's his name? Barry White. Gurinder Singh took those forms and sang songs singing the feelings of Eve, of Eve's energy. Okay. Now, this is, let's see, where we at? Okay, I did that already. Okay, we're down here. So, crosses India, I did that, crosses India. Now, energy in present, Albert, Nepal. This is Mount Everest. It goes through Nepal. Energy in energy. Energy in present, Albert. And then in Tibet, which is part of China now, third eye, Babaji, extraterrestrial. Third eye, Babaji, extraterrestrial. See that? China. See his chin. A beard. Okay, I got a picture of Babaji. There he is. Okay, see the beard? All of the saints. See up there? The saints, they all wear beards. Okay. They look like men. You never think they're girls. I asked Birdsong what he thought of white men. He said they look like girls. Okay. See his chin, a beard? Be-ear deer. Bublé. Michael Bublé. Michael Bublé was the first ape. That's why you keep hearing his name. Because this is the beginning of time I'm doing. I can hear her heartbeat for 1,000 miles. This is what Michael Bublé sings. It's called Crazy Love. And the heavens open up every time she smiles. Okay, those were some lines in the song Crazy Love that he sings. She traveled 340 million miles to save me, says Bublé, from loneliness. She passed every test. Saint blessed. Surprise pest. Man expected. Ape erected. She couldn't correct it. So, ape raped at the pearly gates, his new mate. Okay, I gotta go because it's I've been on here 21 minutes and I'm only supposed to do 15 minutes. Okay, this is Mild Red Songbird. I hope you see all these amazing connections. It's absolutely astonishing to me how it's all written. It's all written. If you can figure out how to decode it, you can find all kinds of answers to